Hello, my name is Colin Ryan, and this is a public service announcement on cyber espionage. So, I'm going to discuss three potential threats any organization can face. And the first threat is going to be phishing attacks. So, this threat is probably one of the biggest and most damaging threats an organization can face. And this is when an attacker poses as a trusted source to entice users to click or download malicious content. The attacker can gain access to account credentials and sensitive information. Countermeasures for this attack would be to update email policies, regular OS updates and backup, make sure to have message authentication to see if it's coming from a trusted source, and most importantly, employee training and reporting. It's important for employees to be trained to identify and report any phishing attempts they may see. Next, we're going to discuss insider threats. So this is a threat that's caused by the actions of an employee of the company. This can be accidental or intentional, and this attack could gain access to critical company data. Countermeasures for this attack would be to detect and respond early, hopefully to limit any damages. Also to limit user privilege access, so users shouldn't have any more privilege than what's required to do their job. And then last, to back up data and have data loss prevention tools in play. And our final threat is going to be ransomware. So this threat is encrypting company data and holding it for ransom. It has the potential to stop company operations and also lose them a lot of money. So countermeasures for this would be an intrusion detection system to identify if anyone has breached the network, to also patch any known vulnerabilities, have backup files, and separate networks according to tasks and departments. So if a system does become compromised, the appropriate countermeasures would be to first analyze and assess, see what is affected, the damages that might be done. Next, you need to isolate the incident if possible, freeze any devices or networks that are affected, and then to have a solid incident response plan. You need to have a plan ready to respond efficiently and quickly in any type of attack scenario. And then last, you need to report the attack to any stakeholders that may have been affected. Thank you.